Karwimbo Mukurinu hamwe na family yake nĩ matigĩtwo na kĩeha na ihoru inene mũno. They have lost two of their family members, ũndũ ũrĩa nĩ igũtha inene mũno kũrĩ ke na family yake. Na Karwimbo Mukurinu nĩ wakorwo akĩrekereria ndũmĩrĩri ĩno akiuga ma him and his family have yet again been thrown into painful mourning. Remember, not so long ago Karwimbo Mukurinu nĩ akuĩrĩirwo nĩ baba wao, na now he has lost his uncle and also the wife to his uncle. Na agĩtarĩria Karwimbo augĩte his uncle first fell ill na akĩadmitwo thibitarĩ Ol Kalou, but the following day agĩcoka kũadmitwo ICU. Na tata wao thutha wa kwamũkĩra ndeto ici atĩ the husband has been admitted in ICU, she collapsed and died. Na the following day anko yake nake aracoka arahurũka. This is really painful. Our deepest condolences kũrĩ Karwimbo na family yake yothe. Aya nĩ andũ manamũnyitirĩra mũno through his childhood, his education. His aunt fed him like his own child. His uncle took care of him through his education process. Na nĩ igũtha na ruo rũingĩ mũno kũrĩ Karwimbo Mukurinu. Na he penned this tribute to them akiuga, not again in my family, Lord. This time it's even more painful. This is my uncle, Mr. General Matejago, and wife. My uncle got very sick. He was admitted in JM Ol Kalou. The following day, he was admitted in ICU. My aunt heard that. She collapsed and died. The following day, my uncle died. Now both of them are in Nakuru mortuary. Kama hapa mtu analilia wapi sasa? This is the uncle who saw me through early education process. My aunt fed me like his child. Two of close people in mortuary. Na nĩ ũhoro mũritũ mũno. It's such a painful death, the loss of two of his loved ones, two of his close relatives. Na mafans na arũmĩrĩri ake nĩ meyumĩria na njĩra nene mũno kũũmĩrĩria Karwimbo Mukurinu. Na nacoka amacokeria ngatho akiuga thank you so much. Nĩ ũguo meyumĩrĩtie kũmũũmĩrĩria. Nacoka uga he's not okay. No tukahoya Ngai nĩ ekũmũhe hinya, Ngai nĩ ekũmũũmĩrĩria during this difficult and painful moment. Firstborn wa Muthoni akauga so painful. May God comfort you and your family. Grace Mwaniki, sometimes we lack words, but may the peace of God that surpasses human understanding be with you. Isaac Geshuki, take heart and may the Lord see you through. My sincere condolences to the family and friends. Pius Peter Kimani, Karwimbo jipe nguvu brother, Mungu yunawe. Karuko wanyu kafi blessed, akauga it's gonna be okay. Nĩ Ngai ũĩ gĩtũmi. Ona ithuĩ tukamũũmĩrĩria tukimwĩra God will see him through this and his entire family. May his uncle and auntie rest in eternal peace.